Maybe they say a compare crown. A Ghana, excuse me, can you talk club? What do you want to turn anyway? What do you want to turn? Ask him what? Because people are following you, sir. Boy, a person part now, sir. Boy, also, so we go. Me will be enemy. Timothy may make crown found. So I'm just about to say,
that means if you're celebrating, you need to be very, very careful.
Yes. I think we will be follow. Who can't see a person like Shatawale can't see it will work. I'm telling you.
It will trend, yeah.
That's it. It is sample for you. So when your person has some way here, that would you move back. That's how you move.
But is it politics? I also see politics to be a game. It's like a football. Definitely one will win.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So whoever wins, let's go.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
But why have you just made it in such a way that, okay, if I join this political party, then that means I have my opponent hating me or something like that. That is where I don't get it. Because if you look at someone like Mr. Beautiful, we all know he was based in Kumasi, he was with Kumewood. And as he joined the NDC party, that made him even people out there, because there was one he was speaking that even his own people from Kumasi rejected him just because he joined the party, that particular party.
Well, if say you are the person that made it up, now me consider be say something bad against you, I don't think you'll be happy. You are the person who made me up. Another for you now. We show you the moment. Now imagine no pochita ko show by a bigger than you know me cause imagine would you happy?
No.
Good. That the same thing happening to Mr. Beautiful. It's like I said earlier, MPP and Kumasi for they are different.
Okay.
Yes, Oko Kumasi are most of them MPP for. And a lot of police on my way here, Mr. Beautiful, most of them they are MPP. Like I said, there was a season here. Last time, do so buy. I'm not sure. I think when I see more years, some campaign do so this kind of stuff. And buy mobile set things are going hard for them because of course I just grab say I also want the light teacher, I also high generator because light you know generator you buy food or those kind of stuff. You need a scan. I get to the point. If the police now know what they buy, only scan farm FM mouth. You now go jump on the guy say. We are happy things are well, we should still vote for NDC. And that's what we should before.
Okay.
What you should be.
Okay.
So let me say, what you should be saying about the year say he's talking for peace and I said, yeah, okay, you celebrate about food now. Mr. About but about to know we are people NDC na your mama who got up and could fear some dream, a person you say go be on myself.
Okay.
Oh, do boxing, I didn't think I got up by young as a be unconscious and got you told me. I'm going to jump boxing because the person you win the Ottoman. And the celebrating no one also live life in the business. It is you have stand in one way. Are you getting the point? Okay. One way now standing in crown. Any point of boy yes, Mr. Beautiful. A go against him. It's almost first kind of find out how much movie be. So let me say. Yeah, that's the point. I mean, I don't see celebrity. Those say education will form their part for a celebrity to come and say we're MPP and I'm one this, you know. I don't think it's necessary because people are following you. I'm not following you. Share no baby imagine see I mean what is your game as the artist being what is here as I use.
Wow.
Are you getting the market? Celebrity they are different from us, they are living two life, fake and real.
Okay.
If I don't see say they should come out and say more pathway. No.
Okay, so you see not to be important.
No.
Alright, start busy. Do you agree to what he just said?
Oh, maybe coming out and I think it's a very good idea. Say we be coming out, say we na me work. I didn't think I mean decide to say me person join the NDC and some person join the MPP. There is I will buy to their ideas or their ideology. Okay. So say MPP or more campaign, you know, and no maybe say these are the things that they are saying. You know, if they come, they are going to do this and this and this. So if I sit down and I realize that the things that they are promising, if they come and it will affect the society. I'm a celebrity, I have influence or I have followers.
How would I just help you with that?
Yeah, I hope you're getting me. So that your fans will come and, vote for the party. As my brother said earlier, Shatawale, the number of fans that Shatawale is having, the number of fans that Stubboy, all these artists are having, the stars are having, the musicians and the actresses, the kind of, what do you call it, the followers that they have. Even the politicians, you see, the politicians themselves, they are afraid of them. Yeah. They are getting me. So for them coming out, it also puts the politicians on their toes. Because if you're not doing well and any celebrity speak out, you know, there's going to be a problem. I hope you're getting me. So it's a very nice idea. But the only thing that I'm not really pleased of, or like I'm not happy about is when you decide to join this party, because this the people, if you join, let me put it in this way, if you join this party, people will appreciate you, but if you join this one, like, people will not give you that kind of attention. That's the only problem.
Okay.
You know, that's the only problem that I see.
All right. Okay. So thank you very much. Now this week we all saw what was happening on social media, that Obofo allowed weed smoking in his church. First of all, marijuana, is it bad? Is it bad then?
Bro, excuse me, let me come in first. Do you know, sir, this issue, no, it didn't happen at Obofo's church. Yeah, there was one pastor called Akurugu. Yeah. The church, no, invited Akurugu. Yeah, that was one too. The church, no,
Akurugu. Yeah.
Or invited Reverend Obofo. Story, my first story, my follower to them say, I was even trying to get my best to get a guy, another person, and not
issue
to talk to him. What I've learned about this issue is guy no speech, the guy no come read no some of a kind, and he said it was a plan work between.
Now that is what the guy has confessed, that it was a plan work.
Yes, he said it on Tena TV, Confirmed on the show. Yeah, he said it was a plan work between him and Akuruga, whatever he calls.
So was it something that they were trying to you know, they were conspiring to dupe maybe Akurugu from Obofo? Were they planning to dupe that pastor?
You know what? It's a plan work. Like I said, things are happening at Ghanaians. I say your attention draws you too much, because from what the guy was saying, you know, Obofo was aware about what Akurugu in the choir. Because I can say on GB, you know. Obofo over stage, Obofo say one the reason why.
Okay.
As a man guy no kind, no, he said, and I quote, say Akurugu dey give me the brain,
that son of Obofo counts.
Yeah, say Obofo bar, Obofo say one the reason why. I say Obofo your way. Eba sa na opi out man obi a omama ntade, omama nsika, mo fa ne say mo kwa mo hwe no. Ti that the agreement a mo call, ti asemi di you. You know, guy no buy Obofo can say when he reach no one to people and everything goes on. Obofo said the following week, or the scanning doctor started brain. Guy is working, man and the man back. And I'll call Tenetic can say a plantain.
Wow.
And from another news source, I just say Obofo ni agrada with beef.
Sure, that was what we even had last week as one of our stories.
Yes. And you know, it seemed like the woman is smart to say, woman talk about boy baby, so I can say a fake.
That is agrada.
Yes. A source I'm getting.
Okay.
Yeah. It you know, please purchase
Akurugu and then
Obofo from Obofo. You also go for the show that I see. And you know what? The Obofo become okay, you know, because no soon.
Yeah. That was what he said.
Yes.
Like he was in the spiritual realm.
Okay. When they
the drum right,
that beat
the constitution in him.
Yes.
Okay.
Almost say almost some the bill say almost try no one on per guy and na guys on nam ya. No, enko baby. I tell you the truth. Ghana some watch 1 week be jaka. Yes. But Obofo should be very careful, because I see to say that I got a movie. Very careful.
But you know that last